Hi everyone, this is Renuka from the Tech Power Girls. Today I am going to show you how to create a responsive layout in Flutter using the VelocityX. For that, we need to add the VelocityX dependency in our perspec.yaml file. So this is the latest version I have already added here. I already added the import file as well here. And now the first step is I have already set up the basic structure of our app. So now in my scaffold, my first element is body, and body I will have the stack. So for that, let me show you the design as well, which design we are going to create. So for this app, we are going to use this design. So in this design, first is image, then text, then paragraph, and then just like a container button or flat button, something like this. So let me do that coding. Okay. So first element is image. So this is a image.network. So we have the path for that image. Okay. Let me see the output. So we want to create a responsive design. So let me check the size of the image. If I change the orientation of the mobile, okay, this is the thing. Now let me give some height and width for this image. For that I just enter here and let's have a height. Now here I want to have the different percentage height and width for the image. So I'm going to use VelocityX media query thing. So let's have context dot is landscape. If it is landscape, then I have context dot screen height. Otherwise context dot percentage height multiplied by 50. Okay, and the same thing I want for the height on this thing for the width as well. So for the width I will have it's a screen width. So for here I want a screen width. And for the here I will have percentage width multiplied by 50. Let's check the output. So let's check the output here as well. Okay. Okay. So let me do the let's check the output. Okay, this is done. So next part is I want to create I want the texting to add it. So for that I will create a new widget. Text container, and in this text container let me add this text container first. So I can see the output. The first element in the text container, let me have the column. The first element in the text container. So here I'm going to use the again VelocityX widget. This is the text widget. Our first heading is 20% discount. Okay, so this is my string dot text dot make. So let me let me have the size of the text widget. Let me have it Excel 4 and semi bold. These all are the inbuilt features, so that's why I like this widget a lot. Second, let me have the another text widget. This is the another. What is the, let me see what the new arrivals. The new arrivals. Okay, and have the same thing. Maybe we don't want the bold, maybe. And the next thing is the paragraph. So for that as well, I'm going to copy the text from here and paste it here. So let me see what happened here. Dot text dot make. So this all these things done. Let me see the output. So let's check the output. Okay, so everything is coming in the center. Let me give the process alignment. Start. Okay, the next thing is that I want to add that container. So after this widget, let me add that container. Let me style it first. Maybe it's 1. Maybe. Yes, okay. Then here for the container, I'm going to use the VelocityX container widget like a VX box. And this is also dot make. In the VX box, let me have the icon. So it's first the child and then icon. And icons. Dot. Let me see arrow. Okay. And have some color for that. Colors white and size, and let me have size 30. And here what I will do, I will have the background color. Let's have the black, and the background color is black. I want some round corner for this my container, and that's why I'm going to use this property, which is very useful, round small. Let me see the output. Okay, but it is very small, and so let me have some padding. So let's say P16. Let's check the output. Oh, this is coming to that container. I don't want it here. So what I will do, I will have the padding over here, maybe P16. Okay. So that is the difference. If you use this padding over here, then it will take the padding outside the container. And if you take the inside the box, then it will give the padding inside that, that icon is wrapped with this padding. So let me see, show you the difference. Okay. So let me give some size in between. So for that, in the VelocityX, we have one widget. It is called height box. which is same as our size box with the height property. So let me have this copy here, then here, and then after this text as well, let me have maybe 30 something more. So this is done. Now it's time to position this widget. So what I can do, I will go here and I will just give the padding P only, which will give you the padding for the just give the top or right or left or bottom. So top padding, for the top padding I'm also giving the context dot landscape because I want different padding for the landscape and different padding for the portrait mode. So here context dot percentage height, let me have some try, maybe 50, and for the portrait mode I will just copy this, okay, and let me do here, and let's check how it works. Okay, maybe giving the 55 or something. Okay, so let me check the padding for the portrait mode as well. So how it look like? So it is looking like this. Okay, so let me arrange it for the top padding. We don't want like this. Let's have just 10, and we'll check the output. Okay, now it's time to have the padding for the left hand side. So let me have the left padding, and what I will do, I will just copy this thing again. And paste it here. So let me have here maybe 50 80 or something, and here will be just 10, and let's check the output. I think it is not that much enough. Let me have 90 or maybe 98. Okay, 99. Okay, that will be okay. And let me check for the, here it is too much. So show you the output. If in the this mode which is too much, let me have 3 or something. Yeah, so this is what I want. If you want, you can have for the portrait mode, you can have the right padding as well. So context dot landscape, and or maybe just 10 padding, and not 10, it's just 2 or 3. Okay, it's a context dot percentage, it's a width multiplied by just 3. Let's check. Okay, that's it. So this is you can see how small code I have written, and we will get the proper output for the landscape mode, and this is for the landscape mode output, and this is the output for the portrait mode. I hope you like this tutorial, how I created the responsive UI using the VelocityX. Thank you.